Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I make a star granny square. This can be used in addition to my sun and moon granny squares as they are the exact same size, and I'll link the pattern for those in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. I will be using a 4mm crochet hook, and then I'll be using 3 different colors of worsted weight cotton yarn. With my first color of yarn, which will be for the star, I will start by making a magic circle. Chain 2, and then work 15 half double crochets into the circle. Once you're done those 15 half double crochets, you're going to skip the chain 2 from the beginning of the round, because technically that would be 16 and we don't want that, so you're going to slip stitch into the first official half double crochet stitch. I do it this way when working with half double crochets because I feel like the chain 2 can kind of be hard to work with and see. So yeah, you should have 15 half double crochets around. You will then chain 5, which will be the start of the first side of the star. When working your next stitches, you're going to skip over the first chain from the hook and then work a single crochet into the second, half double crochet into the third, double crochet into the fourth chain, and then a triple crochet into the 5th chain. So here I am working my single crochet, and then my half double crochet into the next chain, double crochet into the next, and then a triple crochet into the last chain. Once you finish your triple crochet, you're going to skip over 2 half double crochets from the first round and then slip stitch into the 3rd stitch. You will repeat this process 4 more times for a total of 5 sides of your star. So I'll show one more time. So you'll chain 5, single crochet into 2nd chain from hook, and then half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet, and then triple crochet. And then you'll skip 2 stitches and slip stitch into the 3rd. So continue to repeat this process until the end of the round. For further clarity, here's a diagram. Once your last star side has been made, you'll skip over 2 stitches like you've been doing and then slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Fasten off and you're all done the star. Now for round 3, you'll work a single crochet into this stitch, half double crochet into this one, double crochet, triple crochet, and then you'll skip over the slip stitch and then you'll start working up the next side, triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. So with my next color, I'm just going to make a slip knot And then into the top single crochet stitch, I'm just gonna work a single crochet to attach my yarn. Then a half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next, triple crochet, and then skipping over that slip stitch like we talked about before, and then we're working up the next side doing the same thing but in reverse. So triple crochet into the first bump of the chain from the previous round, and then double crochet into the next little bump, half double crochet, and then single crochet into the last little gap here. And then you're gonna skip over like the very top of the star and then work right down the next side into the single crochet. So you will repeat that exact same process around by doing single crochet into the top part and then working around as so. Here's another diagram for further clarity. Make your last single crochet stitch and then slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch from the beginning of the round. You should end your round with 40 stitches around. For the next round, you're going to start by chaining 2, which will act as a first half double crochet, and then you'll double crochet into the following stitch, and then work another double crochet, and then in the next space you're going to work a triple crochet, chain 2, and then work another triple crochet into that same space for your corner. In the next 2 stitches, you'll work double crochets, and then you will work a half double crochet, and then in the next 3 stitches, you'll work single crochet, work another half double crochet, and then 2 more double crochets. Your next stitch will be starting your corner again, so triple crochet, chain 2, and then another triple crochet to finish that corner off. And then you'll repeat that exact same process all the way around. Here's a diagram for this round of the square. Once your last corner has been made, start by working 2 double crochets as you have been doing, and then work 1 half double crochet, and then finish the round with 3 single crochets. And then you'll slip stitch into the top of the chain 2 half double crochet from the beginning of the round, and then fasten off. Round should end with 11 stitches on each side for a total of 44 stitches around. For the last round, bring your last color yarn over and then pull a loop through your previous color. Pull both of those tails tight and then chain 3 with your new color, which will be your first double crochet, and then work 3 double crochets until the first corner. Once you get to the corner, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets. And then work 11 double crochets until the next corner. Repeat this process until the end of the round. And here's one more diagram to showcase the stitches of each side of this last round. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join. And that's it. That's how I make my star granny squares. If you are interested in sun and moon granny squares, those will be linked in my description below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it.